Hi guys, good afternoon. Today I'm going to be showing you part 3 video for pre-writing series. This will be the last video and it uses all the manipulatives I have here in a box. First I will show you all the manipulatives. Here I have plastic rings that you can get in any stationery shop. These are marbles. I have in 4 colors: white, blue, black and green. Then I have toothpicks. These can be used to make straight line like this. Then I have these buttons, assorted buttons. I have these googly eyes. Then I have this thing. Actually these are the beads, if you can see. It was from one of the hair ties I have got for Ridhima, but it was very tight, so I just removed the band and used this as a manipulative. The next thing I have here is shells. Then I have collected a few buttons, just bottle cap buttons, and these are a few stones that I had lying around in my home. I don't know where it came from, but they are such a nice gem. See? Then I have a few dice. I will tell you what these are for. And then I have a few colorful matchsticks. You get these easily at any craft store. Okay, so now let's start with the activities. I have prepared a few tracing pages here. I think there are 5 tracing sheets that I have prepared. Yes. And what she has to do is, the child has to pick up any manipulative from here in the box and she has to trace over these shapes. Okay, so if she takes marbles, then she can trace like this. This teaches them the orientation of the lines and the shapes that we give them to trace. Like this, she has to complete the whole shape. I have these are just basic shapes. Actually I made these a year back when she started pre-writing mode. Now she is 3 years old. I made these when she was 2, and I started with big manipulatives like these marbles only and bottle caps. That's it. I didn't use the smaller ones, and now she can use all of this without any problem. So here I have shapes. Here is a spiral. She has to start from here and go round and round and end here. Then next I have these lines, slanting lines and curvatures. Then again I have zigzag, curves and waves. And the last one is a square. She has to go around the corners of all. So these are the sheets that she can use to trace. For this she can use these matchsticks or toothpicks if she wants. So she can directly make whole lines. Like this, or she can use smaller manipulatives like buttons, and she can use it to put one by one. All of these things, all of these manipulatives work on their fine motor skills and help them to improve their grasp, for pencil grasp for writing. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show you is what we can do with just manipulatives if you have them on hand. So what the first activity I'm going to show you is, first we will put them all in a straight line like this, and here I will put a different color. Okay, so the activity here is, now we have to tell the child to move the black marble to the green marble in a straight line. So she has to take this and move it in a straight line like this. Okay, again next, move it in a straight line like this, move it in a straight line like this. So again this activity teaches them the orientation of the straight line, horizontal line. Now same thing you can do with a vertical line. You just need to turn them. Okay, so you have to tell that take this green marble and put it down to the black marble like this in a straight line like this. Another thing you can do is, you can ask the child to take these marbles and go in a zigzag way to the black marble like this. Next, so this is the easiest way if you don't want to make any tracing sheets or anything. This is the easiest way to show them. Another activity I have here is counting activity. Just let me put this back. I have collected various dice over here. This is the biggest one which we use till now. What she has to do is roll the dice and count the dots. She has to tell me what number it represents, and then I have this dice which has numbers on it, and she has to match it to the correct number like this. Again she can roll the dice. She got a 6, so she has to find a 6. Oops. Oh, there is no 6. She has to find and match 2 here. Okay, this is another activity. One more activity I have is, we roll the dice and do counting. So this is 3. Wow, very nice. Just a second, let me show what my daughter is working on right now. See, zigzag. That's right.
Zigzag, zigzag. Zigzag, zigzag.
That's nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, back to the counting thing. So I wanted to show you is this. So when she rolls a dice and she gets a number, she has to choose a manipulative from here and count 1, 2, 3. So counting with manipulative. She can use any number of manipulatives she wants, and we keep on doing this. This is a very hands-on way to count and match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. She can also mix and match these manipulatives. Okay, another thing I wanted to show you is this. With these matchsticks here, we can ask them to make lines. So we can ask them to make straight lines like this. I give her these 3 and she has to complete the pattern. She has to make a bigger line. like this. Like this. Same goes with any kinds of lines: horizontal, vertical, slanting, zigzag, curves. Yes, I have sorted two colors, yellow and orange, to show you. What we can do with this is teach them patterns. So orange, yellow, orange, yellow and orange. Now they have to copy the same pattern here. So orange, yellow, orange, yellow and orange. This is a very hands-on way to teach patterns, sequencing and anything with these manipulatives. There are so many activities that we can do with this. So this is one thing. Another thing I wanted to show you is if we give them assorted colors. Okay, the next activity is if we give them these assorted colorful matchsticks. Another activity is to sort them color wise. So all the reds will go here, all the yellows, greens, purples, like this. So it's a great color sorting activity. Blue, red, green, purple, green, like this. They can sort all the colors into their categories. Okay, so that's it guys. I know this was a very quick video, but I hope you find this helpful and you got a few ideas for your toddler or a preschooler for pre-writing activities. And share if you find it helpful and if you think anyone could benefit from this video. And I will talk to you soon. Thank you guys. Bye.